Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some few questions and answers of demand and law of demand. When is good called the inferior good? So there is an inverse relationship between income of the consumer and demand for the inferior good. That means that for the inferior good, so what is inferior good? When the good is called the inferior good, there is always an inverse relationship between income of the consumer and demand for the inferior goods. That means that when the demand for the inferior good falls with the increase in income and vice versa. When a good is called the normal good, so in the case of the normal good, there will be a direct relationship between the consumer's income and the quantity demanded. That means the demand for the normal good will increase with the increase in the income of the consumer. So when the income of the consumer increase, the demand for the normal good will also increase and vice versa. That means there will be fall in the demand for the normal good with the decrease in the income of the consumer. Next is that how will the increase in the price of tea affect the demand for coffee and sugar? So first let's discuss one by one. So how will the increase in the price of tea affect the demand for coffee? Now this tea and coffee, both tea and coffee are the substitute good. So that means when there will be an increase in the price of tea, the demand for the coffee will rise. That means that there is a direct relationship between the product and the price of the substitute good. And in the next question is that tea and sugar are what? Tea and sugar are the complementary goods. So there will be an inverse relationship between demand for the good and the price of the complement. That means if the price of the tea rises, the demand for the sugar will fall. So today we have discussed only with the 3 questions. So later on we will discuss with more questions on demand and the law of demand. So those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, because important questions and answer discussions and also related to the topic, important topics are discussed here. Thanks for watching.